Looking for a keyboard that adapts to your unique gaming style? The Razer Huntsman V2 Analog offers just that with its innovative analog optical switches. Instead of being limited to rigid 8-way WASD movement, you get true 360-degree control, allowing for smoother, more precise gameplay. You can even set the actuation point to match your preferences, giving you an edge in fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. What sets this keyboard apart isn't just the analog input, it's the overall feel and durability. The doubleshot PBT keycaps are tougher than standard ABS, resisting wear and never fading. This means your keyboard will maintain its sleek look and clear lettering even after countless gaming sessions. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in long-term reliability. The Razer Chroma RGB lighting adds another layer of immersion. With 16.8 million colors and a variety of dynamic effects, you can sync your keyboard's lighting with your entire setup. Plus, it reacts in real time with over 150 integrated games, turning your battle station into a truly interactive experience. It's not just about looks, it's about feeling connected to your game. Comfort is key during marathon gaming sessions, and the Huntsman V2 Analog doesn't disappoint. The ergonomic wrist rest, wrapped in plush leatherette, provides excellent support while adding a subtle underglow that matches your keyboard's lighting. This thoughtful design helps reduce fatigue, so you can stay focused longer without discomfort. Managing media and settings is effortless thanks to the multi-function digital dial and 4 dedicated media keys. Whether you want to adjust volume, skip tracks, or tweak brightness, these controls put convenience at your fingertips. No more fumbling away from the game. Everything you need is right there. Another practical feature is the USB 3.0 pass-through port. Instead of reaching behind your PC, you can easily plug in devices directly through the keyboard. It's a simple addition that saves time and keeps your setup tidy, especially when you're in the middle of intense gameplay. One enthusiastic user from the United States praised the keyboard's feel and control, highlighting how the analog feature enhances gameplay precision. They noted the surprisingly light pressure needed to actuate keys and how the wrist rest adds to the overall comfort. After a few days of use, they found it far superior to traditional mechanical keyboards. If you're serious about gaming and want a keyboard that offers precision, durability, and comfort, the Razer Huntsman V2 Analog is worth a look. It's designed to elevate your control and keep you immersed, whether you're battling in competitive matches or enjoying your favorite games. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup.